In front of me is MOTOROLA Moto G9 Power, and let me show you how to activate automatic system updates on the following device. So at first, just open the list of all apps, go to the settings then, find and select system, and here click on advanced. Now mark developer options, and if you cannot find developer options there, just take a look at our tutorial on how to unlock developer mode, and once you enter developer options, scroll a bit lower and here you will notice automatic system updates. So unless the switcher is active, smoothly click to make the indicator full filled with color. And this is it. From now on your updates will be applied automatically when device restarts. And this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.